So
Seven line.
so technically,
Seven
you're not
take
seeing that
three.
right? But like I said, whatever we brought back to the scale, there's to the footage of the rocks that natural. So you can open up meteorite catalogs, and some of them will be lunar and some will be Martian, and you can buy them. So you could sell, 100,000 iPhones with a microgram of meat up in it, using a pound of meat dust. And that sounds like you can make a lot of money that way. Now I don't value carrying around meat dust because I have but here's one microgram that's embedded in this thing in my iPhone. Maybe it's bragging rights, I don't know, but let me just say it does look cool. What you held up looks kind of cool.
Yeah, to me the question is, number one, could it really be, I'm like, yes. But then, number two, the price. So how much would you actually charge for something like this? This phone, they're charging $6,920 for.
Yeah, so that's, okay, I would expect that. So if you look at the prices of meteorites, you can buy one that's within your budget. It's just depending what size you want to get it. So I've seen meteorite catalogs that they're around, and in Arizona, there's companies that places it. So there's much less Mars dust that's you find that there's Mars dust on it. But I think that'd be kind of what I'd rather have it as its own conversation. Because one day you would throw away that iPhone. Because the next iPhone is going to come out. And so it'd be odd if it was something so interesting and put it mounted to the school, right?
And that is what I'm talking about. Sorry. But see, I don't have the tools to cut this open and determine if it's actually a piece of the moon, but the consensus is you can buy and sell a piece of the moon meteorites for up to about $1,000 a gram. This might as well be a piece of the moon. But at this point, 3 videos in, I'm not even interested in this custom iPhone.